Simplifying Role Assignment Configuration in Privileged Identity Management, PIM. Configuring role assignments in Privileged Identity Management, PIM, helps you manage elevated access in Azure AD. This blog will guide you through the steps to set up and review role assignments easily. Step-by-step guide to creating a role assignment in PIM. Access the Azure portal. Go to Azure Portal. In the search bar, type Identity Governance and select it from the options. Navigate to Azure AD Roles. Under the Privileged Identity Management section, select Azure AD Roles or Microsoft Entra Roles. Select the role. In the Roles section, choose the role you want to assign, like Exchange Administrator. Add assignments. Click on Add Assignments. In the Membership tab, under Select Members, click on No Member Selected. A flyout window will appear. Select the members from the list and click Select. Configure assignment settings. In the Settings tab, choose the assignment type, e.g., eligible. For long-term eligibility, you can select permanently eligible, allowing users to request elevated access when needed. Complete assignment. Click Assign to finalize the process. Users can now activate their role assignment from the Azure portal. Reviewing role assignments. Once the role assignments are configured, you can easily review them. Go back to the Identity Governance section in the Azure portal. Select Azure AD Roles Assignments. Here, you will find eligible assignments, users who are eligible to activate roles. Active assignments, users actively assigned to roles, with details like assignment end dates and status, permanent or temporary. This overview allows you to manage access effectively while ensuring security through proper role governance. By following these steps, managing and reviewing Azure AD role assignments becomes an organized and streamlined process.